Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Wi-Fi network on TP-Link Tapo C100. So in order to do it, you have basically two methods. In the first method, you just have to simply reset the Tapo camera. So in order to reset it, you just have to simply find the reset button that would be most probably in the right hand side of the camera. So you just have to simply press and hold the reset button for at least 5 seconds until the LED blinks red. The camera will reset and reboot. In the second method, you can set up your outdoor pan and tilt security Wi-Fi camera. So in order to set it up, you just have to simply go through the details that you can find on the TP-Link community or on the website, and you just have to simply follow the instructions in order to change the Wi-Fi network. If you have any other questions, or if you are not able to find the solution with the help of the Tapo support page, then you can even directly contact them by clicking on the support button and by chatting with them. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.